That's the wrong thing. What's good, DZ Squad? It's your girl KDZ baby, and I'm back again, y'all, with another video. And I'm gonna be reacting to Not a Content House, Yacht, and our new home. So this was updated. This was uploaded September 13, 2020. Blah 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 blah. I'm gonna be watching this video. You guys requested it. I'm watching it. Let's get into it, y'all. 1, 2, 3.
What are you doing? Ryan Seacrest, stop.
I reacted to their old house tour.
What are you Ryan? This is gonna break.
I just made a Rice Krispie treat, guys.
Hey guys, welcome to Not a Content House. I'm about to die. Look at this trip.
With Cocoa Pebbles.
Oh my god, are you guys Notch?
Lee!
Good morning.
I need a charger. I don't need these people. I don't know. You did not just bite into your Kit Kat. Can we zoom in on this, please? Is that a joke?
You can't bite Kit Kats like that. It is illegal. It's illegal to eat your Kit Kats like
back
that.
in Texas for a little bit, but she's gonna be back. She's on a commercial break right now. But I promise you, dev content will be coming very, very soon. So
I eat my Kit Kats with
I
eat the chocolate first on all the sides.
Maddie and Ava
Break.
skit that we have for you
Open
today.
the wafer.
Basically, right now we're gonna find Ava's sugar daddy.
And we're gonna find Lee a girlfriend.
No.
What do you mean no?
It's Ava time right now.
But this is Lee time.
Not everything revolves around you.
Lee.
Wiener, come on.
So, as you guys know, I'm really the only single one in the house.
Huh? Excuse me.
Girl.
I'm the only single girl in the house.
Okay.
And I guess some people are not like official.
So he's their videographer.
Well,
He films their videos.
that's for TikTok room. We're not going to go into that right now. But I'm the only single girl in the house. Well, Maddie has this plan, having a sugar daddy.
So we're gonna go.
And then we're going to become sugar mommies. Both of us. Set
No,
us up.
sugar mommy means you pay for somebody.
Oh, we'll go.
You're gonna be a sugar baby.
Yeah, sugar baby, not a
Yes!
sugar mama.
Anywho, I'm kidding. Guys, listen. For the viewers, if you're a girl, you do not need a man to buy you anything. You can do everything for yourself. You can work hard. You can get that bag without a guy. But hey, if a guy wants to pay for
Yeah, get that bag without any type of guy or girl.
Stuffed animal, little flowers, then you do that as you should. But yeah, we're not encouraging to get a sugar daddy at all, but if you want to, that's great, but if you don't, you don't have to. It's your life, and you live it the way you want it.
Basically what we're doing right now. Cynthia's a little upset, so we're gonna go get her some gifts.
To make her happier.
Yes.
Hopefully.
I love
little
this.
montage. 3, 2.
The workers yelled at Lee and made him stop recording. No, for real, they be yelling. They don't even be just.
Or
I'm sorry, can you please put it down?
You should
No.
see it as.
Get that out of my store. What are you doing recording in here? Are you crazy?
Yeah, but we don't stand, you know, because you yelled at me and you hurt my feelings.
Can you come here, Cynthia? Come here right now, please. Cynthia. I'm so frog. Cynthia, look! Look at him! Check it out!
What's it say?
Guys, this is Cynthia's room number. This is Ava's.
We're connected. Because we're always connected.
They're right next door, so if you guys want to come visit.
I'm gonna go to a hotel with my friends. Just chill.
Take a video.
Are you going on? Are you going on the jet ski?
No.
So my girl to pipe down, need it right now.
Hey, TikToks?
Lately,
I'm pretty sure this is copyrighted music.
Got my
So I'm gonna just turn it off.
I know this guy!
my girl, I'ma be up till the morning.
That's beautiful. Oh, y'all didn't see that.
Been rolling, and
Oh no, moving that booty.
I've been chilling by the ocean. Can't take no day. Why I can't?
They lit. I feel like they're having fun. I keep on unpausing because I don't even know when it's not playing no more. I put on the caption so it can say music. But they're having so much fun. Like, I just want to do that with my friends one day. One day. You don't have to be rich to do it, you know what I'm saying? But alright, but wasn't right about that. Having the time of their lives. Yacht is lit. Look at that dude. He just like, yeah. Okay, house? Yes. Oh my gosh, bro. It looks so good. Heaven. Got the modern colors. Gray, white, and black. Content house. I like how they just wanted to put that right at the end too. A little montage. I don't know why I did that. Don't mind me. But the new house looks really nice. Looks like a huge step up from the last one. It just looks a lot more modern and more spacious. So that's lit. And then their little yacht party was bumping, bro. They was having some fun on the jet skis and stuff. Or they were chilling with, like, they made it look like a club up in there. The lights, the music, they was lit for sure. I would rather hang out with them than any of the other houses, to be honest. I'm kicking, yeah. You know what I'm saying? I go crazy. Probably jump in the ocean, the lake, wherever they went. Probably not. I'm so capping. Bro, I'm too scared of drowning and stuff, bro. I know how to swim, but I'm scared of sharks too. Forgot about that one. But yeah, thank y'all for watching this video. Make sure you give this video a like, comment down below what else you want me to react to. If you want your stuff to be watched, reacted to at the top of the list, you know what I'm saying? Whatever. DM me on Instagram. Make sure you're following me on Instagram at KDeezyBaby. KDeezyBabyy. Wait, it's 3 Y's at the end. Not BYY, BYYY. But yeah, thank y'all for watching. You'll see me in the next video. Stay lit. Yeah.
It's KDeezy, baby.